What's up, guys? I'm pulling into the boat launch right now. It's 95 degrees outside according to my truck, which is pretty hot for Ohio. It's been windy all day too, so definitely not ideal conditions, but I just got this GoPro last night and I really want to test it out, so it's not going to stop me from going out. Actually, it looks like there's quite a bit of vehicles down here for a weekday. We'll see what it's like. Just making our way out of the no wake zone now. The river's actually super calm. Alright, I got this thing on 4K, 60 frames per second right now. Hyper view, the lens that comes with the camera, so we'll see how that looks right there. I want to get some shots on the ski pole too, facing back, facing forward. Basically just going to experiment today, what works, what doesn't. Try the bigger lens. I'm going to mess around with that horizon lock feature. Just get a good feel of what it can do, and hopefully this heat doesn't kill it. We're out of the no wake zone now, so let's have some fun. Film everything today in 4K 60, but I'm going to mess with the modes and the lenses. So that was stock lens hyper view. This is stock lens super view. Should be zoomed in a bit. I'm going to do some driving to see how that compares. This is hyper view, but with the max lens on. Somebody's skiing over there. I'll be doing that soon, hopefully, with this camera. My buddy just texted me. I bet he's at the sandbar. Where are you headed? Yeah, he's out there. We're just hanging at the sandbar now. There's a few boats out here, nothing too crazy, but it's a Friday night. Saturdays usually get busy out here. Got a dog rolling in, my favorite. So many start and stops today testing this camera out. Okay, this is max lens super view. Pretty sure the best setting for boat clips like I'm doing right now is max lens super view with the horizon locked. 4K 60. I'm pretty sure that's what looks best to me anyway. Once I see it on a phone or like, you know, on YouTube on my TV, I'll be able to decide better, but I think that's what looks best. Hyperview seems like it distorts it and makes it way too far away, at least with the max lens. And yeah, super view just seems to be perfect. Cool view of the boat you don't normally get to see, because I'm too scared to hold my phone while I try to swim. I see all these videos of people organizing boat runs, like fast boats, like STVs, Allisons, Hydro Streams, in Florida, doing river runs and posting videos on YouTube. And right here, basically in my backyard, we have the Maumee River, and you get to pass under a lot of bridges. There's a sandbar, there's a couple gas stations on the river, downtown Toledo with a few restaurants on the water. It's kind of the perfect venue, I think. So this summer's kind of coming to an end, but hopefully next year, if I can get enough followers on YouTube or whatever, we can organize something and get some boats out here and have some fun. I think that would be really cool to do.